Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Python 3.7 or newer is ready and pip works. Run Python version and pip version. Fix missing pip with ensure a pip. Once done, create and activate a virtual environment so dependencies stay isolated. You'll type python env then activate the env. On Windows, use env /scripts/activate. On Mac OS/Linux, use source env/bin/activate. This prepares a clean workspace for Turtle and related packages. It prevents system Python changes and simplifies troubleshooting later. You now confirm Turtle runs. On typical desktop Python, Turtle is built in so no pip step is necessary. Import it in REPL to check. If you're on a server or minimal Linux, install the GUI binding. apt install Python 3tk or brew/pacman equivalent so Turtle can open Windows. Once the GUI libs are present, run a short script that creates a turtle and moves it, ending with turtle. Done. This verifies both Python and the display backend are functioning correctly. You finish by handling common failures and remote workflows. If the turtle window fails to appear on Linux, confirm display is set or use SSHX for X11 forwarding. On Mac OS, ensure security prompts allowed. For headless environments, capture drawings to an image with a virtual display like XVFB or by using libraries that convert canvas to PNG. If something breaks, deactivate and recreate the virtual env. Confirm Python TK is installed and read the traceback. That points you to the missing GUI or import issue to fix quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.